Hey, what's up, everyone, and welcome into the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. This is the final rundown before SEMA. Tony, what's most interesting to you at the show this year?
Yeah, outside of the parties, the networking, I'm really excited to see the new product showcase that gets displayed every year. And I actually saw that Velo's launching a few things. I'd love to see a quick sneak peek from you.
Yeah, let's highlight two features. First, from Tire Guru, we have the Tire Price Optimizer, or as we lovingly call it, the TPO. This uses fitment data and market data, basically merged within the shop management system, to accurately price your tires, give you a little bit more gross margin within those sales. So definitely get a chance to check that out on the Tire Guru side. And then Autoserve One Digital Vehicle Inspections been working on a next-gen platform for quite some time. Finally ready to roll it out and do some show and tell at the show. You can find myself or Darren Williams, one of the other Autoserve reps, to give you a little bit of a show and tell on it. And then lastly, Tony, maybe I'll point to you and say, what interests you the most in the realm of AI at the show?
Yeah, so it's been really interesting to look at it from a marketing perspective. We saw as soon as ChatGPT launched, a lot of shop owners did embrace it and start writing blogs and content with it. But now we're really starting to see some concepts of what could we be doing with AI. I'm seeing AI scheduling tools. I'm seeing AI service advisors, AI follow-up. So it's going to be very interesting to see what type of products launch for 25 and what's going to get showcased. From your side, what's some practical applications that you're excited about?
I've seen a lot with data analysis, but I really am interested in the business to consumer B2C side of things, especially with service scheduling, with digital vehicle inspections, and essentially the ability to use consumer behavior data to predict patterns within maintenance. That's some of the interesting stuff that I know has been set up for the show this year, and we'll be able to check out in person, see if it works for some of our shop management systems and beyond, see what we can provide within that field of AI. Thanks, everybody, for tuning into the rundown. We will see you at SEMA shortly.